Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you're super welcome, guys. And it's a happy new month. Yes, so it's February and it's my birthday month. I hope you're preparing my birthday gift for me already. All right, guys. And so guys, before we go further, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, guys, because you all are the best deal of the day, and so God bless you abundantly. And so guys, Zubby Michael, Nollywood actor, very talented one at that, celebrated his birthday, and he had a whole lot of fun. A lot of things happened on his birthday. Zubby Michael enjoyed himself in such a way that he wouldn't believe it happened. And in the course of this video, I'm going to be showing you all the parties, the birthday gifts that were given to him from Nollywood, from individuals, from fans, from Worry Peking, and a lot of other gifts from his friends. So guys, stay tuned as I unleash you the gist of the day. So guys, Zubby Michael's birthday was so lit that he had to travel to Lagos to take his photo shoot and celebrate the birthday there. Just watch how the birthday went.
Uncle,
Is in the Allah.
your voice very
No, your loyalty is not in that.
your voice very
Your loyalty is not in that.
I get you, boss.
No
I get you, boss.
wahala. Waiting don't be.
Life, oh.
Nobody can take it from you.
Amen. Just
More blessed.
And
More blessed.
and you, balls,
Peace of mind.
balls.
That's what we want.
Your voice very How are you? How you doing here? Yeah, how are you? Please, how is someone get to the saga doing?
Selling back to back.
Oh, no, that's how you see, it choke.
Anyhow.
When you are in the highest Nollywood grossing movie of all,
Yes,
eh?
Well guys, fans of Zubby Michael are everywhere. Did you see those fans loving and hugging? And the guy is so friendly. And so guys, after it all in Lagos, this is the party itself. The party was so lit. Did you see Flavor? Yes, Flavor was there. Inedu was there. A whole lot of beautiful celebrities, boys and girls, men and women, children, celebrities were all there. All Nollywood actors and actresses came to celebrate with Zubby Michael. It was an amazing and wonderful celebration. Wow, did you see Angela Okore, the musician? Yeah, they said a whole lot of beautiful things about Zubby Michael. Zubby Michael is kind, he's nice, he's talented, he's great, he's a wonderful person. So they can't just stay at home and watch him celebrate alone. So they had to come and celebrate with him. So next guy, we're going to be watching the birthday gift that were given to him from Delta and from the Lagos Nollywood actors and actresses. So guys, stay tuned and watch more.
this from Anita. Anita, come here.
Wow. Wow.
Happy birthday, says Dendala. So,
Thank you so much. Anita,
happy birthday.
thank you so much. Anita. Yeah, Anita Panigon Pie. Thank you so much.
Everyone doing happy birthday.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing.
No,
Hey.
Michael. Zendala. They want mansion.
Physical Eze. Chai. Hi, Anita, thank you once again. Anita, you can't shy for this stuff. You choke. Oh.
Okay, we're going.
Thank you.
Wow, worry people will not try you. See the beautiful gift they gave to Zubby Michael, and next is Nollywood actors and actresses that celebrated him on set. It was an amazing celebration, guys. Just watch the video.
I'm you, little boy.